Hello everyone. So as you can see, we are going to do a planner for Lakshmikant to complete Lakshmikant in next 30 days. As you know, Indian polity contains a lot of marks in UPSC prelims also and mains also. So there is a planner for Lakshmikant to complete Lakshmikant in next 30 days. But before that, I'm assuming that you have completed the NCRT. Yes, one need to be thorough through NCRT to understand the basics, and Lakshmikant is a standard book, so language might not be keywords also might not be like one can understand, but if you are good with that, then you can understand too. So here I am assuming that you have completed the NCRTs and going through the Lakshmikant right now. So UPSC 2026 Lakshmikant in next 30 days. So week 1 foundation constitution basics. So in first week we are going to do constitution basics and foundation. So here I have written day, task and topic, but I think there is some mistake and all. Just leave it and assume this middle one as the topic and third one as the task and first as we have day. So day one I have written here how to study Lakshmikant plus index scan and last 3 years paper trend. As you can see here, yes, so it's day one. One need to follow some steps just like UPSC exam. Just we are following prelims, mains, and interview. Just like that, one need to follow some steps to start reading a book. But before that, one need to scan that what all we have to study and how the previous year paper trend is going, so on. So that is why on day one I have just written simple things. So how to study Lakshmikant, you just need to if you want you can comment here that how to read study Lakshmikant. I will make a 3 to 4 minute video on this, but you need to watch that little bit video or something must be there, and index scan plus last 3 years paper trend. This is a must. Last 3 years paper trend will tell you at what all the important topics and what are the most repeated topics in this exam and any other things. So here your task is understand structure plus mark important chapters. So this is the first day's task: understand the structure and mark important chapters. Now come to day two. So here day two we are going to as we have scanned all the last 3 years paper trend and index scan also done, and we have watched a little bit teacher's video or some kind of info about how to study Lakshmikant. Then we are going to go to day two. So day two we have historical background, summary notes plus 5 MCQs. Here your topic will be historical background and task will be summary notes plus 5 MCQs. Summary notes. Summary notes, how you are going to make? You are going to first study the chapter deeply, understand this, then summarize in notes and solve 5 MCQs from this. MCQs can be if you are reading current news and getting some questions related to this topic, historical background or some, or let's say you are going through PYQs, you can solve any 5 MCQs. Now let's come to day 3. So here I have written making of the constitution here. In day 3 we are going to complete these chapters and task will be committees and timeline. So make sure when you are making notes you must make committees and timeline notes specifically and revise them properly. So here is the your task, and day 4 I have written salient features and compare with UK and USA. Here salient features, and we can see that as you're going to go through the chapter salient features, we have some features taken by other countries. So go through and compare UK and USA deeply, as UPSC is also focused on this, but we need to do is thorough. So one need to focus with this. Next we have day 5. Day 5 is preamble, most important. It is called the soul or the heart of the constitution. So preamble is like mini constitution, so it's much more important. Day 5 is the most important. You just need to understand it properly and make the keywords. Meaning of the keywords is very much important. UPSC somewhat ask many much about this. PYQ questions, as you observe, PYQs are there all for the keywords and all, plus SC cases. Yes, Supreme Court's important cases, just like Keshwan and Bharti case. So there are some important cases which you need to analyze and understand the keywords based on the cases and so on. So that is your task and this is your topic. On day 6, you are going to do union and its territories and article 1 to 4. So here on day 6, your topic will be union and its territories. So you need to study it and understand it deeply, make short notes, and task will be articles 1 to 4. Next, the last day, citizenship amendments plus CAA exam safe level plus mini test 20 MCQs. So here your topic will be citizenship. Okay, you are going to go through the chapter and study it well, make notes and so on. Look, I have given one whole day for one chapter only. So it's not a big deal to read one chapter in one day. So it's 24 hours. So yes, and week 1 complete or not consolidate. So I have kept one last day for this. After week 1, on day 8, we must say day 8. Day 8, you will analyze your performance. You have completed what all given in this week or not, and if you are remaining with any notes, just consolidate all the notes. Give a small MCQ test of all topics. So all topics MCQ test you need to give. And here before this, I think I have forget something. So yes, day 7, amendments in CAA. CAA is Citizenship Amendment Act. So you are studying and CAA is in news. So CAA news questions were also there, and the news analysis are also there. So mini test 20 MCQs and just need to solve 20 MCQs. So this was the week 1. Here, this is the week 1. Week 2, we have rights and duties, most important week, tools for better retention. This I will make a separate video. This was the part 1 of Laxmikant in next 30 days. So I think I'm going to make 4 parts videos and 4 videos just like this. So this was the part 1, UPSC 2026. Do watch other videos too to understand all the topics and all. So this is the week 1. If you want, you can prepare with this also and do watch the part 2. Thank you.